Real quick, I just wanted to go over a few tips and things as they pop up, and they're easier to show than they are to write down in a book. And I want to go over some predictions I made a month or two ago and put out some more predictions just real quick. Okay. So the one tip that I always tell people that it's just hard to explain is always try to find the true motion or the true pattern, the true wave, whatever you want to call it. Like they see this, whenever earnings happens or some major news, it'll just jump off the charts. And people will assume that that's part of the chart. And the tip is find the true flow. Like right, if that hadn't happened, there's right through here. We get over to this. What would have happened if that anomaly hadn't happened? It just comes right up through here. That's the true flow. People see this and they're like slaves to the chart. You're like, well, now I have to make my lines from down here. No. No, you don't. That's not a real part of the natural motion. You should be making your lines like this. That's the real shit. You should be looking at the MACD cross here and comparing it to here. It's a little messed up because it's lower than it should have been, but it's still the same thing. It's like either a slight divergence or right where it should be kind of a thing. But yeah, this is my prediction for whatever, next week, next 2 weeks, or whatever. So I'm going to buy this in the morning. Just cross MACD. And it's just, you have to watch the regular flow. Never pay attention to these anomalies. Look at this shit. This is a perfect company for this. Like boom, right? Don't even look at this. I don't know why people think, or if this causes something in their indicators to trigger, they're like, well, I gotta buy it. The indicator says it. Like, do you not have eyeballs, man? Look, this is a rare case. Ignore it. Anyway, the other thing I wanted to talk about was 2 days ago. What is it? DRN. I noticed that all real estate and construction and house building and stuff like that was right here. There's like a perfect MACD cross, and like no matter what I clicked on, what is it? Real estate? Yeah, same exact thing. Like boom. And then I went and I noticed that all the stocks popping up on my indicator, my charts, were these right here. Oh, what the hell? Hold on. Percentage. There we go. Like they put them all together. These are all home construction, and every one of them had a similar MACD cross of some kind. Like they all have their own pattern. But I put out a warning about it. I was like, guys, this is buy construction and real estate. And then we're on day 2 of it now, and it's crossed here. We're all the way up to here. So boom, boom, it'll probably keep going. So you're probably thinking, oh, you called that. You must be feeling pretty nice right now. No, because I don't have any money. So my life consists of finding things all over the place and not being able to capitalize them. Like this is my recently viewed would have bought if I had the money thing. Look at this. These are, and like even the ones that are down are like just temporarily down from where they were. So green is like what I actually own, or I'm going to own that tomorrow, but so the ones I do own are this one. I'm trying something with this one. I saw this little just two times it tried to come down and couldn't after a MACD cross up, and I was like, well, this is fake down in and up. So I bought it like right here with a stop loss like right here, like a 2 penny difference, and it ran up. So it's still good for me. It's like already at a full unit. And if it could actually start going again, that's going to be nice. But anyway, all these ran up. I would have owned him if I could. DraftKings, I have no idea what it's doing. Someone explain this to me. Is it up? Is it down? Whatever. But yeah, it's just, I would have all this positions in all these. But I can't because I only have like $1,000 right now because I'm still trying to recover from almost being homeless a couple months ago. But eventually I'll get there, but God, it's frustrating. All right, and last, I just wanted to look at I made some predictions like a long time ago, like a year ago, and then I happened to rewatch that video, and I was like, actually, these were pretty spot on. So it's showing all the, the MACD cross. It's going to pull up. There's going to be a pull up. But the thing is, my prediction, see if it plays out, is it's going to be, because you can tell by the angle, it's kind of tilted. So it's not going to make it all the way up to the left shoulder. It'll probably end up somewhere around here. Like, see how the head and shoulders is tilted sideways. But anyway, so this is showing up. So it will go up, probably to about here. Shit, I'll even put, where's my thing? Something I'm blanking on where everything is. Let's put it Like right here. God damn it. I'll draw it straight out. Is there even a fib level that we can use? Oh my god, that lined up perfectly. I am some kind of mastermind. Alright, that was Tech L. ETF technology. Alright, so it didn't even get up to there. I mean, the general consensus still happened. As far as left shoulder, head, right shoulder, it's just the right shoulder was tilted more than I thought. So, that happened. Shit, let's keep playing the guessing game. I'll put the official line. Boom. So I don't, if it does, it'll be like a little bit or maybe a candle wick or something, but I'm predicting even this one's gonna go boop, CRF, and then come back down. We'll see. Turns out we hit CRF pretty damn dead on. It bounced right off that line, and even the little thing I said might pop up through. The color blob will break into the green. Greens are getting bigger. See, tiny green, selling volume. Bigger green, less red. So this green here, I'm thinking at least all the way up to here. And then it'll continue its run. PDD, however, did the... Well, it didn't do the exact opposite. It kind of effed me over. I remember getting stopped out on this one. Instead of bouncing off support and doing that, it blew through support and then did that and then ran into earnings. Which, once again, if you look at the big picture, you're like, oh, look at all that. There's a natural flow behind the scenes happening, and the price will just return to it every time. But my problem with this one, why it didn't happen, and I can't see anything. I don't use this computer because, anyway. But like right here, I jumped in before the cross of the MACD. You always try to time it. You're like, oh, this is it. You must wait for at least one green candle, even if that screws you out of some profit. Because if I'd waited for the first green candle, and, ooh, that still might have screwed me. Yeah, this was just one out to screw me. Because I would have been here, and then my usual stop loss will be below the, the nearest low, like right here. And that shit would have went bloop, and then took off, and I would have been angry all week. Anyway, doing good so far. Last couple days, even though I missed all of that real estate home building stuff, I'm still up. Here, I'll put a whatever percentage I'm up on the screen, and I'll do a full one at the end of October. But I just wanted to get all that out there just because. And now I'm going to go squat some weights. All right, bye.